I was busy checking some old Super 8 family films. When suddenly, the big boom not only blew the house fuses, but scared the shit out of me. So, let's look inside this vintage Super 8 projector and see if we can figure out what went wrong here. Mechanically everything looks alright. But there is a hint left. Yep. We have a busted paper capacitor. Unfortunately, the marking on the capacitor have also been blown away, so finding the replacement will require some more investigations. In the meantime, if you have any capacitor recommendations, or simply want to bet on its volt and farad values, please leave them in the comments.